Hello everyone, how's it going? Oh man, this is day 3. I know I didn't get my day 1 video uploaded on time, exactly when I wanted to. It was a little late. Let me try to adjust this just a little bit. Maybe that'll be okay. Yeah, this is better. Basically, maybe later this afternoon will be exactly 3 days of no eating at all, and I wouldn't say that I'm 100% into my water fast, because actually the very first day I had a matcha latte, so I had but I don't get all the sugar added to it, so really what I got from that was some matcha and a little bit of milk and then water. But after that, it was nothing but water all day. And then yesterday, I had water all day, with the exception of one glass of cold green tea, and this was no sugar at all. Today, I've had one cold glass of black tea and no sugar, and the rest has been water. But here's the main thing. Well, there are two main things. I guess if you're interested in the weight loss, it was a lot after. Whoops, I've got my messages on. Sorry about that. But anyway, I've got my weight from the very first day when I began. Before I started, my weight was 208 something. I can't remember exactly. 208.8, which is a lot higher than it used to be, because I got the whooping cough thing, and I stopped going to the gym, and I haven't been doing any exercise at all, and so I've been eating too much, and I gained a lot of weight. But here's the thing, my weight in just like the first day and a half, it went down several pounds, and by several pounds I mean more than I don't know. I wrote the numbers down on the computer, and today when I weigh again, I'll look at the numbers and then I'll make them available in my next video. But it was several pounds, just really quick. And I know a lot of that is water weight, so it's not that big of a deal. I've been using the toilet a lot, so yeah. So that's one of the big things. But the other thing is, right now I'm having some headaches, some pain and right in here in my head and in back here. And yesterday when I was at the office, especially later in the evening, between 6 and 9, I was really having a lot of problems with headaches. And I didn't cave in and eat anything, and I didn't drink anything. And a friend of mine brought me a coffee with milk and sugar, just out of nowhere, and I didn't ask him to do that. He was just doing that because he was stopping by to say hi, and he brought me a coffee, which is common, for my friends to do that sometimes. I do that for them if I go see them, but I didn't refuse it. I just said thank you, and I kept it, and I brought it home with me, but I didn't actually drink it. So today I poured it in the sink and didn't drink it. So excuse me. But my cough is still here, the whooping cough thing, it's still here. It was pretty bad for me night before last, waking up and not being able to breathe and stuff like that. It's difficult, but last night wasn't as bad. Actually, it was much better, because I didn't wake up having to cough, and this morning I really haven't been coughing, so that's good. But I do have some congestion and honestly, the main thing has been my head hurting intermittently, because like right now it doesn't feel too bad, but I can tell you the truth. I had a Chinese lesson this morning, and when I went to meet my Chinese teacher at Starbucks, I had a black tea with no sugar, because I was hoping maybe that would help to ease my headache, and I guess it did a little bit, because right now I feel okay. I feel better. But the two main feelings that I've had is, one is the headache. Just it comes on pretty strong, and it really makes me feel like I want to stop. But I'm not really hungry. I haven't been hungry actually. Not physically hungry. My stomach hasn't been growling and things like that. I haven't been, oh man, I got to eat. But because of the way I feel, I'm so tired. That's the other thing. I'm really tired right now. I was riding my bicycle back home and going up the hill. I'm riding really, really slow. I was riding really slow because I just feel like my energy is gone. And I have some cashews here, and I love cashews. I've got this big thing of cashews sitting, in the room in there, and I should probably put it out of sight. But I'm tempted to eat them. I'm tempted to eat something, but it's more about the way I feel. It's not the hunger. It's just the way I feel in my mind. And I know I'm going through some severe sugar withdrawal because I've had too much sugar for too long. So those are the main things. I feel very, very tired right now, and just know when I start to move, I really feel it, because when I'm just not moving, my strength feels so. But whenever I start to do something, like go upstairs, ride my bike, whatever, immediately it's like the gas is gone. It's like you get into your car and it looks like you've got gas, and so you start to go, but as soon as you go, it goes down to nothing. That's the way I feel. If I were a car and a car worked that way, that's the way I would feel. So that's the thing. I'm last night, and especially this morning, I was battling the desire to eat something, but not out of hunger, just because of the way I feel, and my head hurting and being so tired and all that sort of thing. But tomorrow and Saturday, I have no specific places to be, and so my plan is to try to just relax and not do too much, and hopefully by Sunday my mindset will be better, my body will be more cleaned out, and it'll be easier to handle this, because I've done a vegetable juice fast for 60 days before, and after maybe 10 days or so, it's no problem that I'm not eating. I don't even think about eating, not hungry or anything. But I'm supposed to go on a trip maybe to Japan. I haven't decided yet, in about 3 or 4 weeks, and not eating while I'm there, that will be a big challenge. So even that has tempted me to just stop my fast until after I come back. But that's the thing, there's never a good time to start, because I waited to start this fast until after a dinner with some of my friends, because they wanted to have a special dinner, so I waited on my fast instead of going to the dinner and drinking water with them. I waited and I ate with them, and then I started my fast. But that's the thing, you can keep telling yourself, but there's never a great time unless the time is now, I think. So I have a little cough. So excuse me for that. This is related directly to the whooping cough thing. So if I start to cough too hard or too much, then I won't be able to breathe, because right now it's trying to close. So it makes it very difficult to talk. But anyway, this is a good reminder of why I'm doing this, is to help cure myself and help get over this faster. Because I really believe that by drinking lots of good water and refraining from eating then I'll be able to heal myself faster. But anyway, I don't want to make the video too long. I know the first one was really long. So I'll be back with you again tomorrow, and I'll let you know my weight over the past few days and how I feel and how I'm doing. Anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you later. You guys have a great weekend or great night.